Hello, my lovely estudiantes. I hope all is well with you this fine May day. I have a few things I want to tell you about before I get started with everything. First off, this is the last 2 weeks of assignments. So you have this week's assignment and you have next week's assignment. And then we're done. The final week of school will be just catching up on everything that you missed for me. So if you get these next two assignments done for all of your teachers, over the next 2 weeks, you're done. You don't have to do anything the last week of school. No final exams, no other assignments. Just chill. It's your summer. Congratulations, you get an extra week of summer. But here's the thing. For you freshmen, we are going to be using a new format this week. The format is going to be, or a new curriculum. The curriculum is going to be through StudySync. I have already uploaded, while I'm doing this video, I've already uploaded the StudySync login information, okay? So I want you to look at this before you look at anything else. So if you go to your classwork, you will see StudySync login information, all right? So you click on it, and it doesn't have a due date. And that's because, well, it's not an actual assignment. This is all just to show you how to create your login for Texas StudySync. All right, so I have everything right here for you. You need to read all of the directions carefully and listen to everything that is said in the video. All right, right here is the login information that you're going. It's explaining the login information for you. So you see, your username or email is going to be your school email. So it's your first.last@s.gobearsgo.net. If yours is a unique email because you have there's multiple people with the same name, then use your school email. That will be your username for your login. Your temporary password. I have already posted your temporary password in your private comments on this assignment. All right. So for StudySync login information, look at your private comments for StudySync login information, and you will see your temporary password. Then, in order to log in, you need to do your school email and your temporary password, and then you create your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long. It's going to be your first initial, your last name. First initial is going to be capital. Last name is going to be all in lowercase, and your lunch number. Okay, so it will look like this. If your name was Jane Doe, it'd be capital J, lowercase Doe, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? If you have any questions about any of that, if you don't know your lunch number, anything like that, send me an email. I will get you your lunch number. I'll help you with anything that you can. One more thing that I want you to look at is this Texas StudySync student setup. That is going to explain to you step by step what you need to be doing in order to set up your account. To connect it to Google Classroom and so forth. That man right there who's doing this video explains it a lot better than I ever could because, well, that's his job. So go ahead and click on that, watch the video, set up your StudySync account. Let me know if you have any questions. Once you have set up your StudySync account, you are going to be doing this assignment. How slow can you go? Click on this link, StudySync link. It will take you directly to the assignment. All right? So you're going to log in with the new your school email and your new password that you created, and you are going to do this assignment. So this assignment is going to be a short answer assignment, and this is what it's going to look like. The title of it is How Slow Can You Go? You will have this article that you can use to help with your question that we're going to ask you. It's a pretty short article. It's not too long, and it's actually very interesting. And it's really talking about the idea of slowing down. So right now we have all slowed down together because of this coronavirus stuff going on. We've all taken a break. We've slowed down. We're doing online learning, distance learning, and it's a little bit more lax than what we would be in school if we were constantly going. All right. So now, in this article, it's talking about different ideas about what slowing down can do for you. Can it help you in the long run? Is it important to slow down? Is it important to slow down to have more quality work when you're doing things, and so forth? So The question is actually right here. It's in bold. It says, answer the question below. Do you think the quality of your work would improve if you paid more attention? What is the value of slowing down? That is your question. I want you to answer the question in 6 to 8 sentences in a paragraph using your topic sentences, your concrete detail, your commentary sentences, and your closing. All right? So remember your topic sentence, that's going to be your answer to the question. What is the value of slowing down? Well, the value of slowing down is this. Your concrete detail, that's going to be a quote, a fact, a piece of data, stuff like that. An example, a personal example, or so forth. I would suggest using this article. This is a good article to use for an example. We've given it to you for a reason. All right. Your commentary is explaining how that supports your answer, and your closing sentence just wraps the entire thing up. Now, there are 2 places for you to. This is where I would want you to record your responses, right here in this response section. When you are done recording in this response section, you will see that Submit Assignment button right here. Once you have finished answering the question, you click Submit Assignment, and you should be done. Also, whenever you are done, go to the assignment on Google Classroom and click Turn In. That should be it for your assignment. Okay? So, let me rephrase that a little bit. Your assignment is going to be, first off, set up your StudySync account. You're going to do that through the StudySync Login Information tab. Look at this. That'll tell you what you need to do for your email and password. Watch this video. It'll go step by step how to do it, what to do, and so forth. Once you have set that up, you go to this assignment, How Slow Can You Go? Have it done by Friday at midnight. And read the article and answer the question in 6 to 8 sentences. I know you can do this. I have 100% of faith in you. I don't think that it is a too difficult assignment to get done. I know I wouldn't have assigned this to you if I didn't think you could do it. All right. So if you have any questions, you could always send me an email. You could send me a remind. You can ask me a question through Google Classroom. I think that's the most favorite way to contact me is through Google Classroom, just because it's right there at your fingertips. And that's fine. Do whatever you got to do to get in contact with me. I hope you're all having a great break. Just know that I will be contacting parents if you're not turning in work. You should be able to see, by the time you're watching this video, you should be able to see your grades from all of your previous assignments. I have either graded last week's assignment either on Sunday night or Monday morning, and you'll find out. So if you want to know your grade, you can go back and look at that and get that taken care of. If you're missing anything from me from the past few weeks, you have got to turn that work in. If you're not turning that work in, then you are not going to be getting credit for it. And you need to get credit. This 9 weeks is meant to help you, not hurt you. So if you had a bad grade last 9 weeks, this 9 weeks is supposed to help you. So get that stuff turned in so it can improve your grade and get you a better overall semester grade. I hope for the best for all of you. Please, 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 I cannot stress enough, you have got to let me know if you have a question. All right? I'll be trying to get in contact with you throughout this week and next week to see if we can do anything to help you guys out. You'll have a great rest of your week. See you later. Peace.